Professor IoT has returned. I know you've been waiting with bated breath to learn more about the attributes of the Renesas Synergy software package and its value proposition. As promised last week, today I will be telling you how SSP addresses the issue of increasing time to market and high total cost of ownership. In an industry that is always changing, the one thing that remains constant is that developers can never get features implemented fast enough. Companies and managers have delivery dates for yesterday, which puts pressure and stress on development teams to move fast. Developing fast means that shortcuts will be taken, mistakes will be made, and the result is delays in delivery. The exact opposite of the desired outcome. This recalls an important question. What can development teams do to really decrease time to market? To answer this question, one must first understand where all the development time goes. A traditional development cycle involves hardware design, driver development for the selected microcontroller, middleware design, integration with RTOS selection, cloud connection, application code development, and finally, system testing and integration. All these pieces add not only complexity to the software itself, but also the debugging and testing process. The result? Exponential increases in development costs. So where can we save time? If one reviews their development metrics and logs, which I know you all keep, a developer would discover that driver development, along with middleware and RTOS integration, consume nearly 30% of the development cycle. Can you imagine spending 3 to 4 months just getting the fundamental foundations for the system working? I'm sure you can, because we do this over and over again. Thankfully, the Synergy team realized this horror and solved this conundrum for developers with the Synergy platform. The Renesas Synergy software package provides qualified production drivers for the microcontroller out of the box. The standard hardware abstraction layer allows the microcontroller to be controlled without the need for specialized knowledge about the internal workings. Developers can build differentiated application code on top of the SSP with confidence, knowing that they're working with a solid, pre-integrated, tested, and qualified software package. The SSP is maintained by Renesas as a product, which means developers overcome common challenges. So what does this mean for developers and teams? The development cycle now has the potential to be made up of 30% less time. Teams can now start to focus on their product features, starting on day 1 rather than week 12. There's not only opportunity to get to market early, perhaps beating a close competitor and gaining crucial market share, but the option for utilizing that extra time to create additional innovation that further differentiates a company's product. So what sounds preferable to you? A high-stress, long development cycle, or a relaxed, highly innovative environment ripe with opportunity? Another benefit of this platform that may resonate strongly with many development teams is how to reduce total cost of ownership. Calculating the total cost of ownership can be very tricky for a development team, and there are a lot of hidden costs that are usually neglected. With Synergy, upfront development costs are reduced by purchasing just a single microcontroller, which includes the full use, maintenance, and support for the Synergy software package, as well as a commercial software such as ExpressLogic's X-ware, along with commercial development tools such as the IAR embedded workbench, plus ExpressLogic's ThreadX and GUIX Studio. The Synergy platform provides these commercial tools with zero upfront investment, allowing teams to instantly decrease their development costs. It also allows a team to reduce their ownership costs by providing software components that are fully integrated, verified, and tested. This reduces project risks associated with combining third-party components, custom in-house software, drivers, and real-time operating systems. The upfront research phase is drastically reduced, and a developer no longer needs to spend months becoming an expert on how the microcontroller works. The fact that the SSP is fully qualified under strict software quality assurance guidelines can ensure developers that they aren't getting rapid prototyping code, the kind we are used to getting, but instead receiving production intent code designed to reduce our development risk and time to market. The SSP is even warranted to meet its datasheet specifications. Finally, development teams often overlook the fact that maintenance costs can be the largest ownership cost. The initial development may last an entire year, but maintenance can go on for a decade or longer. The Synergy platform helps with these costs by providing regular maintenance updates so that developers don't have to. The platform is continuously adding new features, libraries, and third-party components that developers can then leverage in their own updates. Once again, saving teams upfront development costs. The question to ask your team now is, what is stopping you from reducing total ownership costs and time to market with Synergy? A lot to think about, isn't it? Until next time, live long and profit. Thanks for watching our video. If you'd like to learn more about the Synergy platform, please click the link above. And if you'd like to watch more videos in this series, please click the thumbnails here or here.